everyone, this is Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com. Welcome to another sketchbook video. Song was a student in my class roughly 3 years ago in first year of college. Now she's in fourth year and she came back to visit. She wanted to share a sketchbook and I thank her for doing that. Listen, I had a lot of camera shake when I filmed this video. I apologize for that in advance. I think it's still worth checking it out, and let's dive into it. Hey everyone, this is Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com. We have a visitor who is named Song, going into fourth year of college.
Thesis year.
Going into thesis year. And what's your dream job, Song?
Storyboard artist,
Okay.
probably.
Where are you from?
China, Beijing.
Wow, oh my God. Okay, so you're gonna share your sketchbook with us.
Yeah.
Let's check it out. So hello to you as well. Now you've got a small one too, but it's quite beautiful. Now this image that you did here, is it in watercolor?
Yeah. And it's from the film.
So you like to watch films when you do these images in your sketchbook?
Yeah. Get some inspiration
Okay.
easily.
Okay, hold on, put that one back. How long did that page take you?
Half an hour for each figure, I think.
Okay, gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna come over to this page and again, just watching film and then doing these watercolors. I love that one. That is really, she's very awesome. Good job. Love the impressionistic painting strokes. And I'm gonna come over to this page. Hold on now, don't flip. So, what is that from?
Figure drawing class.
Gorgeous. And what about this?
Doodles from imagination.
Very pretty, very powerful line. Good job. I love the texture on the fur. Great work. So you're going from very kind of slick and refined to playful and
Yeah.
cute. So it's nice that you're mixing it up. Okay, hold on a second. I just want to kind of come into this page. What about this page? What's going on here?
Roommate.
Roommate.
Roommate is free model. So just draw them.
I like that. Roommate is free model. Love it. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous line. I love it. It's been a while since I've seen your work.
Roommates again.
These are. How long did that page take you?
This one?
Yeah.
20 minutes for the lineup, and I colored later, maybe another 20 minutes.
Wow. Very, very pretty. Very powerful page. Good job. And I'm just noticing the character in the binder in blue. Wow. Good, good.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about the page with the crazy characters on the right.
They are the character designs. I did the stone lines short animation in the second year, and this is another version for the line.
I see.
Bird. And
Wow.
I don't even know what is this. So
I can't get over your pen. Is that just pen and ink line?
yeah.
Wow. Love it. Very pretty. And this is in class?
Yeah, humanity class.
I like how you're leaving areas very empty and then you have areas that are very busy. That's beautiful. And all the different texture. Excellent job. And then tell me about this one.
This is from the costume figure drawing event. The Society
Of
of Illustrators, yeah, like every Thursday.
You
so
like it?
Yeah, because it had a different theme for the figure drawing. Like this is the circus one.
That is fantastic. Excuse my finger in the camera there for a second. This is my third sketchbook, so I'm getting a little bit of the hand shake. I gotta say, Song, that figure there is really awesome. The girl with the glasses, the way that you did the fabric, the bottom of her shirt with those texture lines on the hem of the shirt and the sleeve. I like that attention to detail. The face, it's just good stuff. Really, really, really good stuff. And then this is another kind of life drawing at a bar, maybe, restaurant.
Yeah, Japanese restaurant.
Excellent. I'm hungry. It's been a while. Wow, beautiful. But that character there is special. Okay, this is good stuff. How long did this entire sketchbook take you?
Entire should be 3 months.
Okay. So
I was very productive like at the first month, but after the semester began, I don't have that kind of time to finish it, so it gets slow.
So you're doing this sketchbook along with all of your schoolwork.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot. Wow, that is a precious page. Is that from life?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
You know this person. It's Sunny.
I'm seeing now. Wow. Oh my God. You're good at empty versus busy. I like that aspect of how you do your drawings, where parts of your life drawings are very empty and parts are very busy.
This is some thumbnails.
Okay. Gorgeous. Nice little shoes down over there with some baskets of food and books. Excellent. And then tell me about this page over here.
This is when I was watching the fashion magazine and trying to figure out the texture of the fabric.
I see. Good job. Good job. Very pretty. I like how you also see things in shape, not just line. Good. Interesting character down over there in the center. Very fun. Lots of movement. Good. And then you're going all watercolor on us. Excellent. So don't tell me your idea, but do you have an idea for your thesis film?
Yeah.
Okay, good, good. The surface planes on that face, dig them. I remember Song in first year of college. This was, 3 years ago now, almost?
Yeah.
And really discouraged and not feeling it. She had a class that was loaded with tons of competition, and you just cranked through and just got so much better. Are you happy with your progress?
Yeah. And
Yeah.
I still need to work hard because others also improve themselves in this 3 years. So
Yeah. So it's never ending
yeah,
competition in a friendly
forever,
way.
forever.
Yeah. God, look at that. I'm just looking at it now, that character with the red shorts, red boots, and then the blue hair. Crazy.
Could be my thesis character.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
And think about that.
Wow. Gorgeous. And then more life drawing over here. I like so much the simplicity with the line, with the hair, busy, empty. You're putting in some shapes there with repetitious line. Good stuff. Wow. Beautiful. So when you do the watercolor, is it a watercolor pencil? Is it a little brush set?
It's a watercolor travel package and and the brush set.
Good. Oh my god. This is like a little how-to watercolor book. They're so different, your character design and your watercolor. Really great job. Your line work and you have hard edge and you have soft. Beautiful. Good. The animation room in 380?
Yeah.
Or upstairs on the 11th floor?
380.
Wow. Beautiful job. Beautiful.
This is my favorite.
You like that page?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice one as well. Excellent. Nice surface planes. So you have some storyboards and some more character design, very diverse shapes. Beautiful line. Excellent job. So that's your last page.
Yeah.
Okay. Song, I want to thank you so much for sharing, and we'll look for your social media right below the video. All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching, everyone. That one was special. Talk to you soon. Hey, thank you so much for watching Song's sketchbook video. She was really nice to come back and visit. She chose me for her thesis instructor, which I'm really excited about, helping her with her film. And if you want to know more about drawingtutorialsonline.com, check out the links in the description box below, and we'll talk to you soon. Be good.